Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board trying to draw a picture of it. You got incline, I think it's 18-degree incline, and you got a pole that's 50 foot tall, but from 6 foot from the top, you attach a guide wire down the hill. So if you attach it, it's 50-foot pole, you got 6 feet here, then 44 foot here. If this is 18-degree angle, then this angle here would be 90 minus 18 or 72, and this angle is what we need, would be 180 minus 72, 108 degrees. Now you said this side's 5 feet down the hill. I suspect the number is actually a lot larger than that, just probably a typo, but I'm going to go with the 5 feet. And so x squared, the length of the guide wire, would equal this side squared plus the other side squared, 44 minus twice the two sides times the cosine included angle. So then you just put that in your calculator. Hope that helps.